Good looking Impala just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1965 Impala two-door hardtop or sport coupe. 396 big block power underneath the hood, and it sounds incredible. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. And take a look at the stance on this car. It's riding on Ride-Tech suspension. Tubular control arms up front. We'll get into that in a little bit. As far as chrome up front, let's take a peek at the grille. Headlight surrounds, bumper, bright work also shows well on this car. And as you can see, the paint, it is in nice condition. Silver Sage Metallic, according to a folder of receipts and miscellaneous information that will come with this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside. Take a peek at that suspension like I'm talking about. You're going to be able to see the engine bay. So you can take a look at the 396 underneath there, the interior of the trunk. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. You can take a look. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a painted slotted wheel. As you can see, beauty rings, center caps, a tri-bar. Good looking wheel in this car. Mickey Thompson radials. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight on a 65 Impala. They're long panels. If this had poor body work done to it, it would stand out in a hurry. Black vinyl interior, bench seat up front. And we will get around to the driver's side, start this up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But before that, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, you can see how straight that rear quarter is, how that paint's laid on there. And yes, this one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures. Chrome in the rear bumper, great shape. Of course, the iconic Impala triple taillights, both sides. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into Chevy Impalas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. If you take a look down the driver's side, again, nice and straight panels. Paint is laid on there nicely. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You go through it with a fine-tooth comb, you can probably find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, this car has the look. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. See seat belts intact up front. Door panels, carpeting. Nice restoration done on this car, no doubt about that. There is an aftermarket radio that's working. A few aftermarket gauges and that tack on the steering column. We're going to get to that in just a bit. Headliner good. 6x9s on the back deck. That's fired up so you can hear it. It's one of the best parts about this car. Not only does it look good, it sounds good. And every time I've started this car, it pops right over just like that. And it's a great looking engine bay you're going to be able to see in a minute. Manifold vacuum gauge, oil pressure, temp, that was a cold start also. Stereo. Stereo working also, aftermarket tack working. Top of the dash looking good. This thing sounds healthy. That door closes beautifully. There's a rumble out of a big block. car looks good. Sounds good. All right, let me pause this. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out this engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. We're taking this thing for a drive. All right, first of all, hood liner. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. Big boy underneath the hood. Again, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock intake manifold. Looks like a Holley 4-barrel on there. Champion aluminum radiator. Painted black. Electric pusher fan up front. Mechanical puller fan from behind. You can see the tubular control arms down here. Take a look at those underside picks. The underside of this car is as nice as the top, folks. What a good looking engine bay. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Show this one off. It will turn some heads. 1965 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop or sport coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Impala. Very nice car. Great looking inside and out. Started right up and idled perfectly right away. Smooth running Chevrolet. Automatic on the column. We have a temp gauge below the dash. Reading 180 right now. And the speedometer is working well. Our turn signals both work. Wipers work as well. Radio on the dash.
Based on the erosion.
Also working. It is a retro sound style radio with cassette. We have a vacuum gauge, a large vacuum gauge right here. Also working. Smooth acceleration from this Chevy. Blower motor works. Nice ride down the highway. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Factory horn is working as well. Very nice looking headliner. Bench seat looking original and vinyl. Good condition everywhere I look. Sun Super Tack mounted to the column. That is also kind of period correct looking, always a good thing. Such a great color on this car. Corners nicely. Corners very well, I'd say better than stock for sure. Learn more about this Chevrolet and take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.